This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Sheila Durham. Private 30 acres with all the utilities available. Level lot at the base of the property next to the road for easy access. Home is in much needed repairs. Utility barn and storage unit is on the upper side of the property. This property has a lot of potential with timber and beautiful views from many places. For more information, review the details below or contact Sheila Durham at 606-248-4932.